Hello guys, hope you're having an amazing day, and my stitch fix has just arrived for the month of July 2021. So I'm really excited, super excited, because I did let my stylist know this time around that I'm looking for summer kind of dresses. So I hope I got summer kind of dresses, so let's see. So here is how it looks. So it did come with a prepaid label bag, so whatever I try and I decide if I don't want them, I could just put that in this bag. It's a monthly subscription box, clothing subscription box, and your stylist would pick the items for you based on your profile and the quiz that you fill in, and also the note that you could add to your stylist every month. Keep whatever you like and then send them back whatever you don't feel like keeping. So let's see. So here is the first thing that I see. So let me grab this one first. So this is the jean jacket that I see. So here is how it looks. Really nice, and this has got like that rugged kind of. So here is how it looks. Really nice. So this is the jacket that I got, and let's see what we have next. So this is the all the clothes that I got, and this has details of all the items that I received and its prices, and there is a styling fee for them of $20 if I remember correctly, and then you could use that $20 against the items that you're deciding to keep. That is nice, and it has the catalog of all the items that I received and the ways that I could style them. That's a good thing. Okay, so the first thing, oh sorry, this is the second one. Okay, the second one that I see is this one. Don't worry, I'm going to try them on, all of these. So here is the gown that I received. How nice is that? So it looks like that summery kind of dress. I'm going to stand and then show this to you guys. So this is how it looks. So here is the front, and here is how it looks. Really nice. So really nice print. Loving this one, loving that summer vibes. Here is my next dress. Really nice, black and white stripes, and this is the knee length kind of dress, and it is how it looks at the waist, little snitched at the waist. Really nice one. And this is our next dress. Is it a dress? No, I think this is a jumpsuit. Here is the jumpsuit. Here is how it looks. So this is the front, and this is how it looks. So here is the pant. This is how it looks, and this is the jumpsuit that I got. And this is my last dress that I got. And here is the red dress, little red dress, and this is the full length, and this is also like a little snitched at the waist. Loving this. So I think they did really look at the note that I did send out to my stylist. I did let her know that I'm looking for all dresses and summer kind of dresses. So I really love this fix this time around. I just hope all of this work on me and it looks good on me and they fit right in the right places. So let's try on. I did pair this one with a t-shirt inside, and this is how it looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. And I did pair that in with the red shoes, and this. So this is how it looks. This is the right length, and I really love like how flowy this is, and also it gives me like that summer vibes. I like the colors in it. It's white, purple, and this looks really cool and really summery. Love this one. Oh my god, I just love this dress. This is the crossbody bag that I did pair this one with, and this looks so dressy and fancy. I just love this dress. It looks like a date night kind of dress. Really love it. And you could wear it to shopping or going to a mall, just hanging out with the friends. Still looks perfectly good. How pretty is that? I did pair that in with this flat sandals and the same MK bag, and this is how it looks. It's like that summery and flowy kind of dress, and it is right length, and it's also like snitched at the waist, so there is this string to tie, and this is how it looks. It's like that flowy black and white, and I did pair that in with the black sandals and a white bag. Looks really nice. This is how it looks. I'm so happy, like around this time for my stitch fix. In fact, I think this is the best fix I ever got, because so far all the items I really liked it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair this one with the jacket that we got. This is how it looks. I feel really fancy, cute and summery. So I look like the girl next door kind of dressy, kind of summery vibes. Really love this one, and it's like a perfect dress to hang out with your family or go shopping. Really nice. So this is how it looks. So love this one. This is how I look if I sit. I don't mind at all. The right length. Overall, I really loved this month's fix. I in fact loved all the items that I received. There is not a single item that I didn't like. The jean jacket is good, all my jumpsuit is good, summer dress was good, and these two knee-length dresses were good. I love everything about this one. I think my stylist did take a look at my note that I gave to her, saying that I want all summery dresses, knee length with sleeves. So she did take a look at that part as well. I really love this one. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.